Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Q option, Qtex, and Pocket option. And I will help you to decide which trading platform is the best in 2025. So let's start by looking at each platform individually. So, IQ option is known for its user-friendly interface, wide range of trading instruments, and solid educational content. It supports Forex, binary options, CFDs, and crypto. The minimum deposit is $10 with a minimum trade of $1. While Quotex focuses on binary options trading, it's visually simple but fast and highly responsive. It supports multiple assets and provides a customizable dashboard. Minimum deposit is $10 and withdrawals are typically fast. And lastly, Pocket Option offers social trading, cashback, rewards, and tournaments. It's packed with gamified features and supports over 100 assets. The interface is beginner friendly and it also accepts crypto. So let's compare them in key factors. Number one, regulation and trust. IQ option is regulated by SciSec, adding credibility with this, while Codex and Pocket option operate in more loosely regulated environments, though they're still popular. Number two, their features. Pocket option offers gamification and copy trading, while IQ option provides technical tools and tutorials. And lastly, Codex is lightweight and best for pure binary options trading. Number three, deposit and withdrawal. All three of them support low minimum deposits and various methods including crypto, while packet option tends to be the fastest for withdrawals. Number four, trading experience. IQ option has the most balanced, professional feel, while Cotex is great for focused traders, and Pocket option is ideal for casual traders who enjoy social and bonus-based features. So, in summary, you can use IQ option if you want a regulated platform with a serious trading experience, while you can go for Cortex if you prefer pure, fast binary trading. And lastly, you can choose Pocket option if you like interactive features and you want to trade socially. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.